Hi friends, welcome back to my channel. Welcome if you are new or here for the first time. We're going to do some tiered tray decorating and we're going to decorate my fireplace and mantle and do a little cleaning also. We're going to decorate for spring and Easter. So let's get started. I do have some new things here, a couple new things, but the goal really today is to just use a lot of what I already have on my tray and in my family room. And I'm focusing on the kind of navy color blue, darker blues, and I'm kind of making that my spring color that I'm using kind of as my base color and bouncing off of that and kind of decorating everything around that. And really what I want to do is I want to use it for spring, Easter. I want to kind of move it into the summer months with the patriotic decor and just kind of keep that blue base. So that hopefully explains a little bit kind of what I'm doing here. Most of these items that you see here are things that I already have, and I've pulled them out of my bin and just kind of picked out what I thought would work best. And one of my favorite things are these blue flowers in the front that came from Hobby Lobby, and also the carrots in the back. I love those because they have kind of a, I want to say like a rustic, not that they look real, but rustic look to them. Now the new pieces that I have here are the He is Risen sign that I purchased from Hobby Lobby. And then these beads I made, I did a DIY, everyday DIYs. I called it a video last week, so I will link that in the cards and below if you're interested in seeing that. All right, real quick, I'm just going to clean the top of my mantle and the fireplace. It needs a good cleaning. It's been quite a while. So I really like to use the lamb's ear in the spring. I just think it's a nice spring touch. I have this small wreath. Yes, it's small. I probably should get a bigger one, but I'm going to use what I have. And I might tie a ribbon at the bottom. I'm not sure. We'll see how everything looks once it's done and whether I really feel like I need to do that or not. So here's some lace ribbon. I'm not sure where I purchased this, but I always use it up here. It kind of protects the mantle. And then this box, I received some poinsettias at Christmas time and kept the box. I knew I would be able to decorate with it. That mirror in there, I DIY'd and just set it in there with some other pieces that I have. I did purchase the candles. The candles are new. They came from Hearth and Hand. And I'm just going to stick my little bunny pick in here to give it kind of that Easter touch to it in kind of a rustic style. So I don't know, you can tell me what you think. I thought this was maybe kind of a nice rustic spring decor idea. I'm also bringing my hearts that I used on my rustic Valentine tray, bringing those in. I still wanted to use them. So again, like I said, I'm trying to use this blue throughout the next couple seasons, but to contrast with that, I have the white flowers that I'm using, and also the lamb's ear, but particularly the white flowers signify spring to me. They signify like a clean start or a renewal, and so the white pieces are kind of my standout. It's springtime, so to speak, pieces that I'm using today. Along with that, my Rejoice sign I purchased last year from Joann's. I was not able to use it. I kept trying to put it places in my decor last spring and I just it just wasn't working. So I'm so glad to be able to use it this year. This is just a little lamb's ear and some other picks that I had from Target, swag. And then I usually take my tiered tray that I've decorated and I usually just set it here on the hearth. So I have it on the left side here. And then as I get that situated there, I'm going to move over to the right side and I'll show you, I have my large galvanized pitcher. This came from Hobby Lobby and on sale these are not that expensive. I just stuck my egg picks in there and then I DIY'd these Dollar Tree eggs, painted them and made them more rustic looking. Not my idea, I got it off of somebody else. I can't remember where, but off of YouTube here somewhere. I also have my little bunny here. This is, if you're familiar with Valerie Parr Hill, this is from QVC. If you are enjoying this video, please give it a thumbs up. I would really appreciate it. So I'm pretty happy with this. It's not overdone. I can use the everyday DIYs and the blue color as my base to kind of decorate for spring and Easter and then kind of springboard into the summer months. So let me know what you think. I'd love to know if you like this or if you would do something different. Please leave a comment below. Let me know what you think of this video. Subscribe if you would like to see more, and I